To continue with the Archer drinks, I've been set up here for a minute. As you can tell, the ice is starting to melt a little bit. To continue with the Archer drinks, we're going to make the Archerita. 5 ingredients: tequila, Cointreau, lime, kosher salt, ice.
5 ingredients: tequila, Cointreau, lime juice, ice, kosher salt.
We're going to make the Archerita. So we're going to start ice in our tin. We're going to take these cube ice tray cubes, whatever they're called, the regular not good cubes, and we're going to break these up and put them in there. We're going to try to get these as small as we can and in our shaker, because I want a lot of ice in my shaker. Jeez, I want one everywhere. 2.5 ounces of tequila. We're going with our Western Reserve tequila. That's a local brand out of Lakewood, Ohio. They distill and do everything there in-house, and the food is phenomenal. So if you ever have the opportunity, I suggest you go check it out. They have a thing called the Honey Hot Pizza, and it's a big pizza, obviously. Cheese with honey on top and a bunch of red pepper flakes, so it's spicy sweet. Anyway, I know what I want to do this weekend. We're going to go 1 ounce of our Cointreau. We're using real Cointreau this time, not the knockoff. This is an Archer drink, so we want to use the good stuff. We're going to do 1/2 ounce of lemon juice on this one. Roll it out, get all that little stuff moving and grooving right into. Then we're going to shake. And while that's going through, I'm going to clean up our area again, because apparently that's what I'm doing today, is just making messes. We're going to take what's left of this lime, and we're just going to do a 1/2 rim. Let's put a 1/2 rim on this glass. Then our salt, which apparently I have not opened. I thought I did. Just a little 1/2 rim. And now we're going to do an open strain of our drink. And by that, I mean we're going to leave it open so some of those little bitty ice bits and all that stuff can get into our cocktail. And here you have the Archerita. Oh, that's good. It's the perfect margarita. The tequila is loud and proud. The Cointreau is playing second fiddle, as it should. The lime juice is the room that the dude pissed on in The Big Lebowski. It ties everything together. That is fantastic. Archer was onto something. Alright, I'll just get this knockoff shit stuff they have at like Giant Eagle. I mean, it's called Old Smoky Moonshine. It's 50 proof. So, it might be good for the Horatio Cornblower that we're going to make from the Sea Tunt episode when Pam's dying on the floor.
Emergency tracheotomy.
What, Sterling?
With a crazy straw.
It's fine. It's pretty sterile. That hairy navel was mostly Kentucky Moon.
That's not even how you make a hairy navel.
I know. It's a new drink. Help me think of a name. So far, all I've got is Horatio Cornblower, which...
We're gonna try our best to recreate it. So we're just gonna start with all of the juice I can get out of this orange. And I don't know the right way to squeeze it. Oh, wait, actually, I might know the right way to squeeze it. Where's my big squeezy? Jump cut all that. Back here, the Horatio Cornblower. Now, he says it's like a hairy navel, so we're just gonna go with the recipe I found online, which is everything you see before you. But again, there's no numbers in it, so we're just kind of shooting into the breeze here, hoping we get something decent out of this. So we're going to start with 1/4 of this apparently decently juicy orange. Break all them capillaries, and we're just going to build it in the glass. Here, I need a little more than that. That's probably like 1 ounce, 1.5 ounces OJ. Then we're going to do 2 ounces of our Kentucky moonshine. Okay. Dump that in there. And then, jeez, what a What a mess. I'm making all types of messes today. And then we're going to do an ounce of our peach schnapps. And I don't have any super fancy schnapps, so just in the glass. And we're just going to fill it with ice. Put the rest in ice in here. Ice, straw, stir it up, get it nice and chilled. Dilute it a little bit. We'll just build it in the glass. I'm trying to put myself in the mindset of Archer when he makes these. So easiest thing you can do, the Horatio Cornblower. The Old Smoky is right there. And if this is what I think it is. Yeah, it's not good. Probably be better with some actual moonshine, but let's just get the rest of the orange juice that we can in here. See if that made any difference. There's a sweetness to this that I don't know where it's got to be from the orange. There's a little underlying sweetness in here. I could see how Archer could down 5 or 6. That's pretty good. And that one's not bad. It's definitely more orange juice. I'd say just juice a whole orange or do 4 ounces of orange juice in there. Maybe a little bit more peach schnapps. Cut the moonshine down by like a 1/4 ounce. But that's the last orange I have, so we just got to make it work. But yeah, no, this ain't bad. The Archerita was primo, though. That was good stuff. I am super not looking forward to this one. This is called the Black Kreiger.
Okay, here we go. So we have tequila and coffee liqueur. All right, so we can make, I guess this will be a black Mexican. What? No, that's not racist. That's what it is. If you added milk, it would be a white Mexican, but all we have is breast milk, ew, which would make it a rusty Kreiger. Oh God. Wow, that is mierda.
Just tequila and coffee liqueur. So we're gonna do 1 ounce tequila and then 1 ounce of coffee liqueur. That's it. That's it. That's all that's in this. Well, the cream comes next. Oh. Ooh. Oh, God. The tequila has been completely taken over by the Mr. Black. Shoo. Whew. Ah. Wow. Now, here's where it turns into a white Kreiger. I think it's called a white Kreiger in the show. You add breast milk, but any titties within milking distance do not have milk in them. So we're just going to do 1.5 ounces of heavy cream. And we'll do the Lebowski finger stir. But it's already curdling. It's terrible. I hate every second of it. Yeah, okay, no, it's still terrible. All right, that's it. I bet you're wondering, where's the peppermint patty? How come you haven't done a peppermint patty? I have a whole video planned at some point to do of hot chocolate cocktails, etc. Peppermint patty will be in there. But that's it for this one, guys. Thank you for coming hanging out. Thank you for spending some time with me. Please leave a like, leave a comment. Find me on all of my social medias listed down below, the Twitter, the Twitch, Patreon, etc., etc., etc. Thank you to the patrons listed down below. Have a lovely day. I suffered for you. You can hit the like button. God bless it.